Hello, my friends. It's the Easter Bunny. Welcome to Ellen's Southern Kitchen. Hope all you are doing well. It's Easter time, my friends. Oh, I just love this holiday. Next to Thanksgiving and Christmas, the Easter Bunny, the Easter eggs, and all the good food. Well, today I got a great dessert that'll be perfect for your Easter dinner. Also great for spring. Lemon meringue pie. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, refreshing, dreamy, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. And if y'all a lemon lover, y'all gonna love this pie. Everybody will go crazy over this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more pie recipes, check out my pies recipes playlist and my previous video, old-fashioned buttermilk waffles. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your egg whites, and your lemon juice, sugar, because we're about to bake some lemon meringue pie magic in Ellen's Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is whip our egg whites. In my large bowl, I have 4 extra large egg whites, and they're nice and cold. And into our egg whites, we're going to add in 6 tablespoons of white sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And we're going to whip these until they're nice and foamy and reach its stiff white peaks. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through whipping up my egg whites, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful fluffy clouds, and they're nice and stiff. That looks great. And this is our meringue that we're going to put on top of our pie. So now we're going to set our meringue aside while we work on our lemon filling. In my bowl and sifter, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And sift these together. You can also whisk them if you like. Alrighty, now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while I get my pot ready. In my medium saucepan, we're going to add in 1½ cups of water. And I have my fire over medium-high heat. Our dry ingredients, the sugar, cornstarch, flour, and salt. The zest of 2 large lemons. And the juice of 2 large lemons. Gonna give it a quick stir. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alrighty, my friends, our sugar water mixture has came to a boil. And over here I have 4 extra large egg yolks. We're going to take a ladle of the mixture. Going to pour it into our egg yolks. And we're going to temper them so that way we don't get scrambled eggs. Alrighty, our eggs is nice and tempered. We're ready to pour them to the sugar water mixture. And give it a quick whisk. So now we're going to let this cook until it thickens. Alrighty, my friends, our lemon filling is nice and thick. Perfect. And off camera, I remove it from my burner. There's a few more things we got to add to them. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. And stir these in until the butter melts. Alrighty, my friends, the butter is nice and melted. Now we're ready to pour the filling into our pie crust. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch pie crust, and I pre-baked it for about 12 minutes. And this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerator or a frozen deep dish pie crust. And make sure you poke some holes in the crust before you pre-bake it. Oh yeah, luscious lemon filling. Smells good. Spread it evenly. Alrighty, and last but not least, we're going to add on our meringue that we made earlier. Like so. Now we're going to spread it evenly all over the pie. It's going to be so good. Nice and fresh. Give it a little design. Alrighty, my friends, now ready to put this lemon meringue pie in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to let it bake for about 10 minutes until the meringue is brown. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Lemon meringue pie. Doesn't that look good? And look how nice and golden brown that is. Ain't nothing like freshly baked pie straight out of the oven. Alrighty, so now we're going to let it cool for about 1 hour at room temperature. And then after that, I'm going to place it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 2 hours. And then I'll cut me up a slice and then we'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, our pie's nice and cool. And I fixed me up a plate and I garnish it with a lemon slice. Isn't that pretty? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Creamy, tart. The pie crust is perfectly cooked. And I love the meringue. This lemon meringue pie is spot on incredible, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Lemon meringue pie delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me, the Easter Bunny, in Ellen's Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to Ellen's channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when her new videos come out. Also, follow Ellen on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase Ellen's new cookbook along with your picture, please send her an email. ellenshomemade@gmail.com. She would love to see your beautiful creations with her recipes. And we will see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Easter.